In the last video, you learned how to get information from a function. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to send information as well. An argument is a type of information that we can send to a function. An argument can help make our functions a lot more flexible. What we can do is send our argument to the function that is then stored in a variable called the parameter that you can then use inside the function itself. Here is an example of an argument being used in a function. Let's go over this step by step, as you probably have no idea what all these fancy words even mean. First, we add our parameter names inside the parenthesis of our function. Our parameter here works just like a variable would. We can use our parameter inside our function. When we call our function and give it information, we are passing an argument to the function. Pay special attention when I pass different values here and notice what happens. As you can see, we change our value and instantly our function becomes a lot more functional once again. No pun intended. I'm going to call upon our function and change our parameters just slightly so that you can see what happens when we change the parameters in our function. Pretty cool, eh? This lets our functions be a lot more reusable. If you look at this one more time, basically the a and the b, when we call upon a function, is representing something within our function. We see the a and the b is in the middle of our document.write. Whatever we change the a to b when we call upon a function, that will then change whatever string is put in our document.write command. Pretty cool. We can do this with integers and anything else as well. When you are adding multiple arguments and parameters to a function, keep in mind the more of each you include, the harder it is to read the code and keep track of everything that is going on here. Later on, you will learn some better ways of passing larger amounts of information to a function. But for now, try to keep your arguments and parameters limited so you have an easier time understanding and working with your code. Once you get better, you will learn better ways of passing information to a function.